This question told us that we should use both Thevenin's theorem and Norton's theorem to find the current in the 2 ohm resistor, this 2 ohm resistor. So we've worked out and we came out and realized that the current through the 2 ohm resistor is 2 amps. So I want us to use our simulation to really confirm whether it's really true, because whether what we are really learning in class is really true or not. So let's use our simulation and confirm this, our results. So I'll open my simulator, then I'll draw my circuit. So I have one resistor here, one here, another one here, and one here, one here. Then we have our power source as we have our voltage source here, and we have another voltage source here as well. And after doing that, we just have to connect everything back together. Then we'll change our values. Here was 2, here was 3, and here was 5. Here we had 2, and this was the current, the resistor they said we should find, this 2. Then the voltage source here was 7 volts, and the voltage source here was 10 volts. Okay, our simulation is running too fast. Let's slow it down. After slowing it down, let us calculate the current in this 2 ohms. So when we come, realize that the current in the 2 ohms is there was a resistor here. I left that resistor out, so I'll just left that resistor. There was a 2 ohm down there, so I just connect that circuit. Then to find the current here, we realize that the current through that resistor is 2 amps. So our current through that resistor becomes 2 amps. So this is how we use our simulations to confirm our answer.